Hello my viewers, this is Ndalkacho. Today we'll create a pie chart in Microsoft Word, which is the second part of my tutorial regarding creating graphs and charts in Microsoft Word. Okay, so today we will create a pie chart, which is a very popular and which is used to display data, statistics, and information in a circular form. And it is used for study and comparison purpose, especially researchers and data analysts use pie chart to represent their output and their data. So today, here we have a simple table having two columns. The first column is about products. We have different or four types of products here. Product K, product X, product Y, and product Z. And we have also profits, their profits in terms of percentage. So we need to represent those values in pie chart form. So we have different types of pie charts like 2D pie, 3D pie, and donut pie. So I will show you their difference while we create those types of pie charts. Okay. So first, let's create our default pie chart. To create a chart, a pie chart, first we need to click a place where we want to insert our pie chart in our document. So let's assume the place is here. Then we'll go to the menu tab and click on insert and then click on charts. Okay, chart. So from these options, you can simply select pie. As you can see here in the bottom part, we have different types of pies. The first one is 2D pie. The second one is 3D pie. The third one is which is pie of pie, and we have exploded pie charts. Okay. So first, let's create the 2D pie chart. So now let's make it visible. Simply you can drag, you can click on the either to the left or to the right window, then you can drag just like this. For instance, if you wish to modify this window, the Excel sheet, you will simply click anywhere, then you can modify. You can minimize, whatever. Okay, so first let's drag this one. Simply you can drag just like this. And if you wish to modify this window, the left window, simply you can click anywhere, then you can modify. Okay, you can modify just like this. A table in Excel, and we have a default pie chart. So first we need to modify these values. Yeah. As you can see here in the first column, we have first quarter, second quarter, third, fourth quarter data. So we need to convert this one. So these values should be replaced by our products. So in the first quarter, we need to replace the product K by product K. The second quarter should be X, and the third is Y. The fourth one is Z. Okay. Again, it says in the second column, it says sales, but in our case, we have profit. So we need to replace by profit. You can see simply profit in percent. Then we need to convert these values by our profit. So the first value, the profit for product K is 30. The profit for product X is 25. The profit for product Y is 15. And the last one is 30. Okay. So this is our pie chart. As you can see here, we have a legend, and in the right corner or the right edge, as you can see here, the blue color, this area shows profit from product K, and the red color indicates the profit from product X, and this green like color is indicate the product from Y, and finally from this one we have product Z. So we can modify, or you can make more attractive by modifying our pie chart. So to do so, first you can simply expand the Word windows. Okay, you can maximize. So as you can see here in the menu tab, you have different options to modify. The first, for instance, at the top corner here, we have change chart type. It says change chart type. We can change, yeah, this chart into other forms of charts. So let's click this one. And as you can see here, we have pie chart in 2D form. So you can convert into 3D, whatever you like. You can convert, for instance, this one in 3D form. So as you can see here, you have different forms of 3D pie charts. Okay, you can select whatever you like. Even you can modify the orientation and the like. So simply you can click, right click, then you can modify. For instance, you can select 3D rotation. If you wish to change their angle, here you can, in the Y axis, simply you can increase or decrease the angle. As you can see in the preview, it is changing. Yeah, the angle is changed so that you will have a better appearance. This is a 3D pie. The 3D pie. Even you can change the given data. Okay, the given data. For instance, you can say edit data. Here you have an edit option so that you can change the values. Yeah, here you can simply change these values so that it is simple to modify our pie chart values. Even you can change the styles, as you can see here in layout 1. Simply if you click, you will have the product's name and their percentage on their share, yeah, on the pie chart. So as you can see here, for instance, product Z have 30% of profit, and it will cover this area from the whole. Yeah, from the whole. So in this way, you can represent pie chart. Even you can change this pie chart into other forms of pie chart. Simply you can go to change chart type, then you can say, even you can change into bar form. Yeah, bar form, and you can select which bar you like. So for instance, if you click this one, you will have this form of pie chart. Yeah, I mean bar graph, but it is not simple to understand just like that one. Okay, so let's change to the former one. Change value, you can make it pi. Okay, pi in 3D form. So you'll recover your values. Yeah, your values. So this is very attractive, and it is very simple to understand. Yeah, let me show you the donut pie chart. So again, you can convert this one into other forms of pie chart. For instance, in the beginning, I said we have different types of pie charts. We have shown 2D, then 3D, and we left donut types of charts. So let's select DAFNet. DAFNet is similar to the donut pie chart. So let's select this one. So you will have a ring form just like this one, and you can convert. As you can see here, you can also represent your data in this form. This is a donut type of pie chart. So as you can see here, again, you can select any styles that you like. Okay, that you like. So in this same way, you can modify. So this is what you mean by a donut pie chart. This is used especially if you have more variables. You can simply select this type of pie chart. So in this way, you can make any types of pie chart in your Word document. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and even you can give your comment, and you can share to your friends. So thank you for watching this tutorial video. Bye.